Simabheketwane izinto ngaphansi kweqembu elisha lezepolitiki iMK njengoba nje kwehla kwenyuka ubuholi bakhona kungaqondakala ukuthi ngabe kwenzakalani izinto ezenzekayo kulona ukuthi ngabe leli qembu ngabe iqembu eliyinqola ehambayo noma ngabe uqhwasha weqembu njengoba sibona futhi lilwisana lapha neANC. iANC ithi this is our baby. So njengamanje kukhona okushako okuvelayo ukuthi lona leli qembu futhi le MK ngathi lishawa izimali iphakethe alivumi kahle ukuthi liphushe lapha icampaign noma umkhankaso lokuthi likhankase lithole abantu abazolivotela ngendlela eright. So siyazi ukuthi when it's come to campaigning for a political party to win or to get voters, they need to spend a lot of money. So right now let us see what is happening inside the political party MK, which is led or which is using Jacob Zuma as a person who is the head of the political party. We're not so sure if he is the real head or he is just the face of the political party. But today in this video, we're gonna find out if who is the head and the leader of the MK political party. Is Jacob Zuma or it is Khumalo or it is Justice Mkhweng or it's Bonkosi Khanyile himself, the young man who have been seen trending for MK campaignings and other affairs of the political party MK. So guys, ngicela ukunibingelela bese ngiphinde nginamukela kuyona le video esiza kini ngayo njengamanje kade sibamba lapha ku channel kaZolonke iBantu TV1 okuyi channel yabantu abamnyama. Siyacela ke mukela ukuthi ungumthandi wezindaba ezenzeka lapha eNingizimu Africa ucindeze usubscribe and like while you are in this video right now, and after that you are allowed to write your comment in the comment section, and then thina sizophendula mengukuthi siyakwazi ukuthi sikuphendule nabanye bazophendula mengukuthi bayayazi impendulo yombuzo noma ba engage kwi comment yakho. So guys, let us get on ukuthi njengamanje size ngani na. So njengamanje lapha kwi MK MK yenze a big announcement engathi abantu abaningi kade behlale befusa ukuthi bazi ukuthi ngabe kahle kahle leli qembu iMK liphethwe ubani, ngoba iqembu leli engathi li-announce uJacob Zuma ngonyaka odlula 2023 wathi uzolivotela, but he's still a member of ANC. So how can he be a leader of MK if he's still a member of ANC? You see, that raised a confusion to South Africans. But today, luckily, we will find out who is officially the head or the leader of MK, who we're gonna be voting for as the candidate for being a president if MK win or won the elections in 2024-29 May as we gonna be voting. Guys, let me just get on to the point. On the 13 March 2024, Mr. Bonkosi Khanyile, the leader of the Youth League in the MK, made an announcement of who is the leader of the MK. I'm sure many people have been suggesting names like Khumalo, Justice Mkhweng, Jacob Zuma, or any member of this new political party. Okay, what is Mr. Bonkosi Khanyile is saying? Who is the leader of the MK? Let us see. Mr. Bonkosi.
We are officially proclaiming the presidential candidate of MK, the only man we are voting for in the MK in these coming elections. Officially, for the first time to the public, we are unveiling it. it is Jacob Gedliayihlekisa Mhlanganyelwa Zuma. I must repeat this so that it can sink to everyone. The official presidential candidate of MK, we have resolved, and with this position, we are not engageable. We are not open for any engagements. Don't call us in hotels at night. Don't call us in clubs at night. Don't buy us nice things and try to woo us for any engagements. We are unavailable. The minute you start to open your mouth and say, let's talk on who is going to be a presidential candidate of MK, and you don't mention the name of President Jacob Mhlanganyelwa Zuma, we drop a call. We immediately drop you, we block you.
Okay, siyabonga i-announcement kade sasilindele ukuthi yenziwe officially lapha ngaphansi kwayo i-MK. Nangempela ke uMr Bonkosi Khanyile, MK Youth League leader, has announced Mr Jacob Zuma Gedliayihlekisa as the president or the leader of MK. So sesiyazi ukuthi ubani esimvutelayo ukuthi aye kwi-presidential seat if i-MK iyawina, uMr Jacob Zuma. Ngabe wena mbukeli nje manje usizwa unjani ngalesi simemezelo sothola lapha comment section? Kodwa ke nakagcina lapho uBonkosi ukuthi enze ebukwayo noma silethele izindaba ngempela ezishiye abantu bekhuluma. Uye waqhubeka ke wangena laphana kupholi be ANC lapho khona ke esekade efunga egomela uthi ethi iANC njengoba ithi iMK ingeyayo nje, uthi cha lutho ke selanqamuka kuqadala igoda. We have parted our ways a long time ago, and he explained ukuthi how did that happen when MK parted their ways with ANC, as they now ANC claiming that MK is their wing, which is they are not, because they parted their ways officially back in 2003. Okay, let me not go deeper because Mr. Bonkosi Khanyile will explain more further. Mr. Bonkosi, tata ndoda sizwe ukuthi ngabe uthini.
Zuma wakes up, takes this thing from a political dustbin. He renovates this thing, he cleans it up, he polishes up, he rebuilds it, he puts it in 2023-2024. Mbalula signs and complaints with Mama Nomvula. They say Umkhonto is theirs. How? Where? Because you can smell defeat. Comrades, on this one, history is on our side. Never be scared. The truth is on our side. Never be scared. Even when we are confronting those soldiers toe to toe, head to head, even if we can fall there, the next generation, they will remember us. That they were truthful comrades who said what they mean, who meant what they say. For this democracy and freedom, were prepared to lay down our lives. Bring it on. Soldiers, police officers, remove MK. Let's see where are you going to vote. Want to see those videos? Umlandu ngakuthina. Iqiniso lingakuthina. Ngoba wena uzodliwa kuma elections. Ngoba wena uyadliwa kuma elections. Uyabona ukuthi uSirila akafunakala. Uyanuka pho. iANC yanuka pho abantu abayifuna. Usuthi Umkhonto hayi owethu. Wena Umkhonto wawuvala ngo93. Wavala neMKMVA ke lokhu kokusiza amasosha ke Nkosi yami azabalaza anganalutho. Wawuvala nakho. Mase sivusele Umkhonto wethu abantu abamnyama ozositakula. Usuthi hayi usiya owakho wena. Sivume lonto. Kuyobe samagwala. Ngempela kuyomela sivele sibuyele emakhaya sisho sithi lutho hlulekile. Singaphinde sibize uSolomon Mahlangu, singaphinde sibize oMama Wini, singaphinde sibize oAnthony Lembede, singaphinde sibize oMama Adile Tambo. Usaid wathinta abafazi wathinta imbokodo, JZ Freedom uzofa fi. Uzosathi sombalula la.
Okay. That is not the last one. relax, drink your water, because there's still more to come. Mr. Bonkosi Khanyile did not only roasted ANC and Fikile Mbalula, but he escalated to Mr. Chief Justice Raymond Zondo. He was saying without hesitating that their first step they're gonna take to deal with the enemy of South Africa once they get into power in the presidential seat, they will suspend or dismiss Mr. Chief Justice Raymond Zondo as Chief Justice of South Africa. So the question before I show you the video, my question is, ngabe iMK izobe yenza into right yini? Ngabe izobe yenza izinyathelo ezi-right yini mangabe ithi mangena emandleni bese iqosha uChief Justice Raymond Zondo njengenhloko yamajaji? Wena mbukeli uthini kulokho? Sacela uthi ku-comment section uphendule. Ake kodwa ke sizwe uBonkosi umfoka Khanyile ayibheka le ndaba ukuthi ngabe bazobe bemqosha ngaliphi umfoka Raymond Zondo.
So we are clear, we don't have confidence in the courts of South Africa under the leadership of Zondo. The first person that we want to do, because you have good judges, you have good investigation officers, but you have Zondo as a head. When the head is rotten, the whole board is difficult to survive. Zondo, the first thing when MK takes power, we are chopping Zondo's head. Zondo is a liability. Because he's a friend of Cyril. He was supposed to call Cyril and say, Chief, this thing is not possible legally. But I know where they meet, supervised by their white friends, they are trying everything in the book. What can you use to disqualify Zuma here? Including create a public confusion between being sworn in and being on the ballot, which are two different processes. I, Bonkosi Khanyile, I solemnly declare that I will abide by the South African Constitution, that I shall. You are saying that's being.
Si bambi khona lapho eka Mr. Bonkosi Khanyile, the youth of the MK leader. Now let us escalate this matter and hear from the locomotives train head, Mr. Jacob Zuma himself, as he asking or begging for fundings and donations from the public. Sizwe ukuthi ngabe kwenze njani, bakhala ngani, kushoda phi. Mr. Jacob Zuma, let us see what you want to say to the public.
Who is a South African who feels South Africa must change and be a South Africa that we are proud of. And we are therefore asking and requesting everyone, whatever amount you could put into this effort, it would be highly appreciated. It will also take us further to the stop we want to arrest, we want to get into. We wish everyone will appreciate what we are saying and what we are doing, particularly because we want to utilize the finances that come from the people. We have no intention of getting any wrong money. As it appears, this has become some practice somehow. We want genuine contributions to be made to this genuine political party, Umkhonto Wesizwe Party. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Okay, people of South Africa, so you have heard ukuthi what is going on laphana eqenjini iMK sesitholile ukuthi who is the president or the leader of MK. It is Mr. Jacob Zuma, and there are rumors that circulating around the media ukuthi uJacob Zuma was denied by the IEC ukuthi abe a candidate who will contest for the presidential seat because he does not meet the requirement. As we all know, ukuthi Mr. Jacob Zuma was once convicted, not only during the apartheid era, but in the late 20s, as during the unrest. You remember he was convicted 15 months, but we all remember that he was sentenced at home. So by that, IEC says Mr. Jacob Zuma by legally cannot be the president or cannot contest for a presidential seat because he does not meet the requirement. He's been recently convicted. Wena, what is your say? Wena sakhamuzi sase South Africa, ngabe uJacob Zuma umlindele ukuthi abe ngopresident asilide futhi noma nawe uthi cha as IEC isho ukuthi akakwazi ukuthi aconteste nangempela nawe uthi cha awulindele ukuthi ulide umuntu ufana noJacob Zuma. So konke sicela ukuthi sikuthole lapha ku-comment section. Siyathemba ukuthi you liked the video and you subscribed if you are not a subscriber. The last thing, you did comment if you wanted to comment. If you did not want to comment about anything, you can just say wonderful or just give any compliment opinion in this video. Thank you, South Africa.